Let's see what's going on with the new kitties. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. I didn't mean to wake you guys up. Oh.